Next, coming to the physical properties of non-metals. So non-metals, you know that they are non-lustrous. Non-lustrous means they do not have a shining surface. There is one exception, that is iodine. Other than that, all the non-metals are non-lustrous. They do not have a shiny surface. And also, non-metals are solids or gases at room temperature. Okay, they are usually solids or gases. Like, for example, if you take carbon, it is a solid. And if you take gases, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, these are all gaseous forms. Like if you take chlorine, chlorine, carbon, iodine, these are all solid non-metals. Gaseous means oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen are the gaseous non-metals. And also, you know that metals are usually very hard, but the non-metals are opposite to that. These are usually soft. Okay, one exception is there, that is diamond, that we'll study in the exceptions. Okay, and usually non-metals are non-malleable and non-ductile. Okay, so non-malleable and non-ductile means they cannot be drawn into thin sheets or thin wires. Okay, so this is another property of non-metal. And non-metals are usually bad conductors of or poor conductors of heat and electricity. Okay, they do not conduct electricity. Except graphite, they do not conduct heat and electricity. And also they are non-sonorous. If suppose if you hit these non-metals on any hard surface, so it will not produce any sound. Hence it is a non-sonorous. And these are having low melting and boiling points. So these are the properties of non-metals. These are the physical properties of non-metals. Okay students, till now we have discussed the metals and non-metals physical properties. So there are some exceptions related to these physical properties. It means that that does not obey that property. So which are those? So mercury, you know that mercury is a metal. Okay, it is a heavy metal, but it will not obey one of the property of the metal. That is, you know that all the metals are usually hard and they're solid at room temperature, right? But this liquid mercury is a present in the form of liquid, so that we can see in the thermometers, right? So mercury is a liquid metal. Okay, this is one of the exception to metal case. And also next, gallium and cesium. We have already learned that metals are having high melting and boiling point, right? This gallium and cesium is having low melting point. So how low melting point means, if you keep these metals on your palm, it will melt by absorbing your body temperature. Just ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಸೊ ಅದು ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗ್ಯಾಲಿಯಂ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೀಸಿಯಂ are having low melting point. So there these metals, if you keep them on your palm, so it will melt. And also we know that iodine, it is a non-metal, but it is having a shiny surface. So shiny surface it is a property of metals. Non-metals do not have a lustrous surface, right? But this iodine is having a lustrous surface. This is also one of the exceptional case. And next come to carbon. So carbon, it is a non-metal. It is having two allotropic forms. Allotropic forms means it is existing in two different forms. One is diamond, another one is graphite. These are the allotropes of carbon. So you know that carbon is a non-metal. Non-metals are usually soft in nature, right? But diamond is a non-metal. It exhibits an it exhibits in property of a metal, like it is having a hardest substance in the nature. Okay, diamond is a non-metal. So non-metals are usually soft, but this diamond is hardest substance in the nature. And next, graphite. So graphite is also a non-metal, but you know that non-metals does not conduct electricity, but this graphite is used as a electrodes to conduct electricity. Next come to last exception case, lithium, sodium and potassium. Okay, lithium, sodium and potassium, these are metals. So these metals, you know that metals are hard in nature anta helidvi, and the hardness depends on the differs from one metal to another metal. Of course, these three are metals only, but it is not that odd as iron, copper, like that. So we can cut these metals with the help of a knife. Okay, knife ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Lithium, sodium and potassium, these are called as alkali metals. So these are soft metals that can be cut through knife. So these are the exceptional cases of these metals and non-metals. This you should remember. So this is about today's class, physical properties of metals and non-metals and some exceptions related to physical properties. So by taking physical properties only, we cannot decide whether it is a metal or non-metal. So by taking chemical properties, so that is the exact property of the metal. Okay, chemical property, it shows that whether it is a metal or a non-metal. Chemical properties we'll study in the next class. I hope you have understood. Thank you, children.